This is going to be an install of the Diode Dynamics SS3 LED fog light kit for 2016 to 2023 Tacomas. It's supposed to feature a higher output than any other 3-inch light on the market and a durable powder-coated aluminum die-cast housing. It comes with an 8-year warranty. They are engineered and assembled in the United States, which is awesome. They have an SAE-compliant road legal output level, which makes me feel safe, although they almost feel illegal on the road. Here's what comes in the kit. You'll get 2 pods, the required harnesses, brackets, and hardware. No tools, so you will have to have your own tools, although all you need is a 5/32 hex or Allen and a Phillips screwdriver. A stubby is preferred. When it comes to the removal, you will have to open your hood up and put your arm through the holes here as shown, right there for the passenger side and here for the other side. Now, when you're connecting the harness, sometimes it will be flipped 180 degrees, meaning when you first turn them on, they won't turn on. So just flip the harness the other way and you should be good. Here's some footage of the fog lights on only, no headlights, at the exact same time of the day, same road. And you guys can get a good feel of what the difference is here. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Enjoy. We'll catch you in the next one.